To fix keyboard keys not working on HP laptop, first perform a hard reset. Simply shut down the laptop completely, then disconnect the charger, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, release the power key and turn on your laptop. Then check the keyboard is working or not. Method 2. Check if the keyboard works outside Windows. Shut down your laptop, then turn it on and repeatedly press the escape key on your keyboard. If the startup menu opens, the keyboard is responding. Then press F2 to enter hardware diagnostic. Then run the keyboard test if available and note any failure keys reported by the test. Method 3. Test with an external keyboard. Connect a USB keyboard. Wait for Windows to recognize it. Then open Notepad and test by typing in Notepad. Method 4. Disable filter key. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left side, click on Accessibility. Scroll it down. Select Keyboard. Here you can see the filter key. Make sure it's off. Then simply restart your computer and test the keyboard again. Method 5. Reinstall the keyboard driver. Right-click on Start, select Device Manager, expand the keyboard, right-click on the keyboard driver, then select Uninstall Device and uninstall it. After uninstalling, simply restart your computer and your Windows will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver on your PC. After restart, test the keys on your laptop working or not. That's all for today. See you in the next video.